Have you ever wondered how top companies manage their warehouses? Efficient warehouse management is crucial for business success. Today, we'll uncover how Books365 Advanced ERP can streamline your warehouse operations. Let's dig into the world of warehouse management, focusing on key features. We'll discuss multiple warehouses, smart layouts, goods tagging using RFID or barcode, goods movement, and inventory control systems. By the end, you'll grasp how Books365 All-in-One Advanced ERP enhance productivity. First, consider multiple warehouse management. This feature allows you to oversee various locations. Each warehouse can operate independently, yet stay interconnected. This enables streamlined operations across all facilities. Next, let's talk about warehouse layout. A well-planned layout minimizes travel time and effort. Organizing items based on demand leads to efficient inbound and outbound operation. Use Books365 to design and/or map your warehouse layout for optimum efficiency. Now imagine managing bin locations. Proper bin location management ensures quick access to items. Each bin holds specific items, making picking processes faster. Books365 allows you to create and manage these locations effortlessly. What about quality assurance? Implementing quality check processes benefits all goods received. With Books365, ensure every item meets standards before it enters your inventory. Now, onto third-party logistics, 3PL. Third-party logistics allows businesses to outsource logistics functions. Integrating 3PL with Books365 can smoothen your shipping and receiving process. This leads to improved service and reduced operational costs. Let's examine the goods inward process. When items arrive, they undergo checking and quality assurance. Automatic item identification and stock update using QR code or RFID. Books365 Track and Trace RFID integrated inbound-outbound process improves accuracy. Live visibility and tracking of goods inward and outward movements in any warehouse throughout the organization. Proper goods inward procedures maintain stock accuracy and traceability. Books365 Advanced ERP simplifies goods inbound process with automation, visibility, and live tracking. Tag new inbound goods with RFID, barcode, or QR code. Books365 traceability applications provides full integration with RFID and QR code solutions. Next is goods put away of the received goods within the warehouse bin locations. Effectively storing items in warehouse bin locations raises operational efficiency. With automated put-away instructions, Books365 speeds up this task. This way, stocks are always in the right place. Next is goods outward. This process involves shipping orders to customers and/or transferring goods to warehouses or factory or production facilities. Now consider goods picking for the goods outward process. Picking involves locating and gathering items for orders within the warehouse and/or warehouse bin locations. Books365 makes picking straightforward, reducing errors and time spent. Warehouse bin location-wise pickup instructions guide your workforce effectively. Using Books365, you can manage goods outward seamlessly, ensuring timely deliveries. Let's not forget stock management and automatic stock updates at every level. Books365 Advanced ERP helps maintain stock levels for each warehouse and its bin locations. This ensures you know what's available, enhancing decision-making. What about stock physical count? Regular counts confirm stock accuracy. Using Books365 facilitates quick and efficient counting processes. Stock cycle counts involve frequent checks on selected inventory segments. This helps reduce discrepancies and manage stock levels. Transferring stock between warehouses is essential for efficient inventory management. With Books365, quickly process transfers, maintaining optimal stock levels everywhere. Lastly, integrating with various systems, devices, and ERP is crucial. Books365 seamlessly connects with your existing systems. This creates a cohesive environment for managing your warehouse. To summarize, you've learned how Books365 Advanced ERP simplifies warehouse management. From multiple locations to stock transfers, its features enhance efficiency. Ready to optimize your warehouse operations? Contact us at start@books365.in for a demo and discussion today.